Good morning. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I am actually doing a Bible study here this morning, and I came across something that I really wanted to share because it may help somebody. So I'm doing this 3-week track. I have a student Bible I'm going to share. It's written by, and what made me come back to start studying anew, starting over. I was reading a lesson that I get in my Yahoo mail, and I ran across one of the author's name in this book, and one of the author's name is Philip Yancey. And so I wanted to, the notes are from Philip Yancey and Tim Stafford. Very, very good Bible, student Bible. But what I wanted to come to, so the track I'm reading, and if anybody is interested, I'm going to share it. It's a 3-track reading plan, and I'm taking track 2, and it's an overview of Luke in 8 days. So day 1, you read the introduction to Luke and chapter 1. Day 2, you read the Christmas passage, which is chapter 2. And I'll go more into that, but I'm getting ready for it. But I just wanted to share this with you because a lot of times people feel less than and left out, and because they don't have certain material things, or because they didn't come from a family of high social class, or just different things, people feel less than, inferior. And what makes it so bad is others try to put them in that category as well. Like some parents don't want their kids playing with kids from, like, just say the other side of the track or whatever. But let me tell you about Jesus. Whew. He didn't really hang around wealthy people and people who were considered the most beautiful and everything. A lot of the people that Jesus, he touched, the blind man, the woman with the issue with blood, the people that he helped were just ordinary people. And isn't that promising for people? You know, like a lot of people, they growing up in poverty, and they're living paycheck to paycheck, and maybe they don't have a car, they're catching public transportation, not because they want to, because they have to. You understand what I'm saying? So, but all of that doesn't matter. That's my message today, and I even have a hashtag on one of my videos. You matter. You matter, irregardless of what your situation is. You may be suffering from depression, mental illness. You may be going through a divorce or a breakup, or you may be having financial difficulties. You may be going through some kind of health crisis. You matter. God loves you, and so do I. I love you because God loves me, and I just want to leave this with someone to help someone. I love this Student Life Bible because, as I told you at the beginning of every chapter, it introduces you to the they say characters or the people that's going to be introduced, and it's just very, very good, y'all. I'm going to share the link to the Student Bible. And so, but anyway, here is what it said, and this is what stopped me. And I need to hurry because I got to get ready for work. But I just wanted to read this, and I know this is going to help somebody. It has a section, it's called 2.20. So, it's actually talking about 2 and 20. 2 and 20 of Luke says, the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all they had heard and seen, as it had been told to them. Here's what it says. It says, cast of characters. If a public relations firm planned the introduction of God's Son on earth, whom would they invite? Certainly not the group Luke introduces. No Roman emperor or Greek philosopher attended. Instead, Luke tells of an obscure priest and his wife, a carpenter and his young fiancée, a group of shepherds, and 2 elderly people. Jesus never had much to do with the high and mighty, except during his trial and execution. He would change the world through the lives of ordinary people. Oh my God. So listen, when you come with Christ, you become new. You become, so he hung with ordinary people, but when he left, guess what? They were extraordinary. You get it? Get it? Get it, please. If you don't know him, start studying, and I'm telling you, no matter what you're going through, you'll find peace because you know he's there. You understand it. It took me a long time. But I'm here, and I just want to help somebody else to get to the level of peace that I've actually acquired in my life. I mean, we go through problems because we're humans. We have trials. We have tribulations. You know, we oh my goodness. Just know that even though you may feel ordinary, you're the type of person that Jesus hung around when he was here. It's Monday, January the 3rd. Happy New Year again to everyone. Much love. Be blessed. My pastor always stay in God's will. Let me see. How you say that? Goodness. He didn't mention it Sunday, but he did at the funeral Saturday. Okay, y'all. Again, Happy New Year. Much love. Bye.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.